All right, I guess we're back for round 2. YouTube, what's up? So this time we got the Tsunami here, we got my car, and we're back at this blue 2001 Toyota Celica GTS automatic. Was 2ZZ, or was TRD, still is 2ZZ. I got Breadline in the background. We came back because I asked the owner if I could have the TEIN coilovers, and he said, yeah, take them. He's just donating the car. So I was just gonna leave him because it seems like a lot of work, and I was kind of out of it, but Redline came with me. He's like, let's get those coilovers, let's get them. So we're gonna get the coilovers. He's gonna help me, he's up front, he's starting to loosen the torque, and I'll probably end up taking the GTS wheels too, but we'll see. We're definitely getting the coils, so today we're getting the coils. Round 2, this is crazy. We're gonna probably end up leaving this car just on the side of the road, but it's all good, I guess. Let's go ahead and grab these coilovers off, and I might have them for sale, or I might put them on the GTS. All right, Redline already has one GTS wheel on, or 2 of them. He said he's so fast. So yeah, there they are. Look at that. Look at that. Those are nice.
Nice. They're actually pretty good condition, honestly.
Yeah, they'll clean up nice. I came up front and I was like, oh, these are just OEM. They look OEM. But there is green right there. All right, about 5 minutes in, we already got one off. Good to go. It looks pretty good. Let's go look at it in the car. Celica to Celica. These are expensive. Nice. Looks pretty good. I'll clean it up even better. All right, so Redline. They're giant, so all 3 of those are off. We did the 19 down below already.
Yeah.
So this is being held up by this guy right here. So we need to pop this and then it'll fall down. All right, this is the end of the Celica's life. So we're gonna let it loose. No wheels.
Oh.
Sad car. It's over. Oh my gosh. They're gonna drag it up onto that tow bed soon, or that flatbed. All right, so we've gotten the rear one on this side. We got the wheels. Now we're gonna do the other side. All right, so we've jacked this one up on this side. This one was really loose, like the bolts weren't even tight. Kind of weird, kind of sketchy. Redline did the 12 millimeters up here and it fell down real quick. And then now he did the 2 19 millimeters. And then all we have to do is he's getting the 14 millimeters off of the ABS line, and then he'll do the 10 millimeter brake line, and then these are out. Coilovers are pretty easy to install, to be honest. The only hard part is on the rears, is getting the rear out, because they don't want to come out from that right there. They never want to come out of there. I had the same issue when I just did my, whoops, sorry guys, just did my lowering springs. I think I might keep my lowering springs though, I'm not sure. I really love these lowering springs. All right, we're all done. The neighbor came and said, hey, what are you guys doing? I said, the kid said I could buy it. I bought it off of him. So we got that front one off. We're done. All we gotta do is this last one, and then we're gonna move on. And I think I'm gonna take the wheels. Redline's got some dirty hands.
Yeah.
He's jumped on this. We've been out here for probably like 40 minutes. So we're going really fast today. The other day I was out here for a long time to get all the TRD kit, but we're doing good. All right. All 4 acquired, pretty good shape. We'll clean them up, make them look nice. So they're gonna go on this car, they're gonna go for sale. We're gonna take the GTS wheels. So we're gonna take all 4 of those. I might paint them and then sell them, make them look nice. And then this thing's going to, I think it said Salvation Army, or to the military one. They're cool, they'll come get your car. All you literally do is call them, and they'll come drag your car and donate it, and you get a write-off for it. So that's pretty cool. So this thing's gone, going to the junkyard. Had a good life. It'll be better on someone else's car. Someone else will take care of it, and it'll be a good, beautiful build for them. So let's clean all this stuff and then head on out. Okay, we're gonna leave the jack stands. We just felt bad, so we're just gonna leave them. So we'll leave the car on jack stands. He'll have it towed. I'm gonna tell the guy he needs to have it towed right away. I feel bad for leaving a car like this. So I'm gonna tell him that he needs to get it towed right away due to the Salvation Army. So GTS wheels, we'll clean them up. TEIN coilovers, very cool, green. We're not taking the exhaust. I don't want the exhaust. I don't like it. Yeah, and that's it. So hopefully they come and tow this thing. Unfortunately, this is gonna go to either a junkyard. I've seen a lot of them that look like this at a junkyard. There is a 2ZZ in here, so if you needed coil packs, but you know, coil packs, I'd probably just get new ones. To be honest, everything on the 2ZZ, I'd either buy the 2ZZ and then ship it to like Monkey Wrench, have them rebuild it, because I think it has a spun bearing. You're not gonna do anything. So we'll just leave it like this. I'm gonna send him some pictures and then he can deal with it. But yeah, we did good. We cleaned this thing out. He was nice. He said he could have it all. So he's going to Philadelphia or wherever it was. So let's go ahead and head out. Let's take a funny look here. This thing is loaded down. So we got 4 GTS wheels in here. We got me, Redline, 4 coilovers, all our tools. Believe it or not, there's a jack in there too. So yeah, we got it hooked up. We got a bunch of stuff. We'll clean all this up and make it look nice. All right, we just made it back to the garage. So we got all the wheels. All 4, they look pretty decent. I'm gonna clean them up, and then I'm gonna clean up these coils right now. Filthy. We're gonna go ahead and get them scrubbed. So let's go ahead and scrub these now, and we'll do a little bit of, here's the before, and then we'll do a nice after, and we'll wrap up this video. All right, no more stuff there. I've done the coilovers. I'm not gonna show you them yet, but they turned out amazing. So we're gonna work on the wheels now. So let's go ahead and scrub these wheels. Hilarious. This is going in the trash. It's a back of a bullet. Come on, guys. What is even that? That is the lamest wheel stem cap I've ever seen. What? Come on, man. These came from the hood. All right, Buff Mitch checking in. I'm going to the gym. This is a big workout anyways. I finished the wheels. They turned out okay. They look better. That one cleaned out good. But they're okay. They definitely need painted. And I kind of want to put them on for my big road trip to go get new wheels. These aren't the new wheels, but I really don't like the wheels that are on my car. They're gonna be for sale if anyone wants those. These ones I might do like a dark gray. I think that might look cool. But the coilovers, look at those. Oh my gosh, absolutely worth the effort. Redline, thank you so much, my man. Huge effort. So the way that I clean these was soap and water. I don't like to use brake clean on painted surfaces. It's too aggressive. So I use like car soap or some kind of detergent soap, put it in a bucket, and then use a microfiber from my website or a sponge. Microfiber is good because you can get all the cracks, and then just keep on dipping the microfiber in the bucket and then hosing this all down after you clean it. And then the next thing I do is recommend is putting some lubricant such as WD-40 on all the moving parts, and it'll get this nice aesthetic clean shine. Look at those. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. That turned out so good. What a good find. So these are probably gonna go on my car since they turned out so good. I might have them for sale. I also have the end links, and they cleaned up really well too. I got the end links too, the adjustable end links for the sway bar for the fronts. But yeah, Redline, thank you so much. Absolutely beautiful aesthetic. Look at the black coils. Oh, adjustable for your ride height, whatever you want, you can do it. Full coilovers for the Celica. If they are for sale, I'll probably have them really discounted because they're used. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe. Pretty cool. I found coilovers. So can't wait for that car to get towed away. I felt so bad for leaving that there. I also have TYC taillights. So there's gonna be a lot of goodies on MITCHDORE.com coming up. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is driving down to get those special wheels for my Celica. They are not gonna be those ones. They're gonna be some different ones. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITCHDORE.com. See you guys on the next video.